If you've ever tried adding text directly on top of an image in WordPress and weren't sure where to start, stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it the right way in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and head to WordPress. In the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click it, and when you're given the sign-in options, choose Continue with Google. Pick the Google account you normally use for your site and you'll be taken straight into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look for the section called Quick Links and click Edit Site. You'll see the websites you manage. Just select the one you want to work on. That opens your site in the editor where you can start making changes. Now let's add the text overlay. Look up to the top left corner and click the plus icon. That's how you add blocks to your page. When the block menu opens, search for cover. This block is perfect because it's made specifically to hold both an image and text on top of it. Click the cover block to add it to your page. You'll immediately get the option to choose an image. Upload one from your computer or grab one from your media library, whatever fits your design. Once your image is in place, click on the area inside the cover block to type your text. It can be a title, a quote, a call to action, anything you like. From there, use the block settings to customize the text so it stands out. Change the size, position, or color until it looks clean and readable against the background. And that's it. Your text is now sitting right on top of your image, professionally aligned and completely customizable. It's a quick feature, but it makes your page look polished and designed with purpose. If this helped, explore a bit more in the editor. There are tons of small tweaks that make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and if you want more easy WordPress walkthroughs, stick around and check out the next tutorial.